Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Halle, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Halle Chocolate Factory. Number 2, Handel House. Number 3, Stadtgote Sacher. Number 4, Marktkirche unser lieben Frauen. Number 5, Halle and Saline Museum. Number 6, Halle Neustadt. Number 7, Marktplatz. Number 8, Red Tower. Number 9, Neue Residence. Number 10, Halle State Museum of Prehistory. Number 11, Kunstmuseum Moritzburg. Number 12, the Franke Foundations. Number 13, Hallescher Dom. 14, Beatles Museum. And the last one, number 15, Zoollische Garten Hall.